Hi everyone, this is Richard. In this video, we're going to go over testing with matchers. Okay, so originally we said here is a string. Okay, so here's a very simple function: string words, string A, return A. Right? You're testing words, string A returns. Actually, this should be returns A as a string. That's a little confusing, isn't it? Let me put string word choice. I'm not very good at picking these variable names for the record, okay? Just in case you haven't noticed, word choice as a string, okay? I gotta fix this somehow. That's not working. Okay, so as a string, expect words hello, okay? Test equals hello. We run it. What's going to happen? Passes the test, I think. Returns word choice as a string. All tests passed. Okay. What if I want to do more than this? Okay, what if I want to test more than this? So test.equals is great, but what else can I do? I could do test dot. By the way, I really like doing as. I can't remember what that's called, but using as because it narrows down the choices of what I can use, and then I really can get a good idea of what the functions or methods are available right here. So test, I usually do all of right inside here. Oh, or any of, or all of. I'm going to do all of. The same idea. Any of means any one of these. All of means all of these. So you do the brackets, all right? And then you can type more than one possibility here. Now, what you do is notice these things. Some of these are void. Some of these are functions. Some of these are matchers. A matcher is basically one of those things that returns bools themselves. So in other words, matchers equals, if it equals, it's false, and it's going to fail the test. If it's true, it's going to pass the test, right? So matcher, same, test same, and this is going to be hello, okay? So it's got to do that. Test dot, let's find another matcher here. Throws exception. So these can be, you can use tests for throwing exceptions, no such method error. So for errors, you can also use, make sure that the test tests the error that you want to throw correctly, okay? Contains pair, no, that's going to be only for, maps. Contains value. I'm not sure if this is a, contains value is a, for strings or for numbers. I'm not sure if that's, well, let's try it. Let's see what it says. Has length. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be 5. And let's go from there. Okay, let's see what this shows. Wait, I'm getting an error. Oh, wait a minute. Here. Expected to find end parentheses, same, all of, that's right here. I got one too many right here, I think. No? That's right there. No, that's correct. One more parentheses. Oh, this is supposed to be commas. There we go. Okay, commas in between each one. Sorry about that. Run. Okay, something errored here. So which one was it? Method not found. Strange. These are not very readable, are they? So hello instance of null false. Hello instance of same. Words hello, test all of. I wasn't sure about this one. Let's comment that out. Let's run it again. I'm not sure what this is saying. Hello instance of string description null, matcher, expect. Some tests failed, unhandled exception. Describe mismatch. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. So this must be contains value. That must be for something else. It must be for numbers or something like that. So that's a way to test not just the equals, but has a number of different characteristics. Is it the same as this? What's the length of this? And we can keep going on and on. So specifically, when you're playing around with this, and I do encourage you to do that, because it's the only way to really learn, right? Going down there, see all these matchers themselves. If you have exceptions, if you have, other types of functions, methods, choosing these right inside of there. Is empty, matcher is empty, is null, is true is false. Matcher anything? I don't even know what this is. Is a map, is a list, matcher anything. Test anything? You gotta love that type of thing. Test anything. What? I guess it is something. I don't know what that is even. Okay, let's keep going down the line. Let's see what we got. What other type of matchers there are. So these are probably for numbers, right? No, that's a bools. I wish they would have said that right here. Maybe it does. Maybe I just can't see it. Is not empty. That could be for absolutely anything. Yeah, so any of these work for string. Keep looking around and see what you're trying to test, what you're trying to actually do. Just gives you a little bit more input in terms of what the function is actually doing. You're testing it best you can. So the more you test it, the better it's going to be in terms of actually having good logic and good quality code. All right. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks.